Achieving a Snow White makeup look is easier than you think it is when you use Colourpop's Disney Villains makeup collections. I'm Nancy Basile, and today you're going to watch my BFF, Rini Panzini, who is a makeup expert, transform me into Snow White using Colourpop's Disney Villains makeup collection. Plus Size Nerd is all about celebrating our fandoms and our curves. Be sure to watch to the end so you can see what the makeup looks like in natural sunlight. And leave a comment below to let me know what your favorite tip was from today.
Okay, we're going to start off with Pore Minimizing Primer.
Joa? What is that?
They sell it at CVS.
Oh,
They do this a lot on. So selfie ready means that it doesn't have a white.
Really?
Back something they call it.
Yeah. The
So-
one I have has white.
Yeah, with camera, it won't flash white or whatever. So, that's BB. Okay, so this is from Wet n Wild Photo Focus Eyeshadow Primer. So this goes on your eyelids, and it kind of just evens out the color of the skin on your eyelids, and it also makes them a little sticky. Okay, so this is True Match Compact Makeup. It's a lighter foundation. It's a cream foundation, but what I'm going to do is use my finger and put it under your eyes because Snow White has very bright under eyes. This is the Super Stay 24 Hour. So this I'm just going to dab.
Oh, okay.
And then I'm going to use the sponge. Like, I'm not going to use a blending sponge because I feel like those are a little harsh. You know those sponge that you wet and it gets like that a lot of people use. I think it's easier to use that on yourself, but I feel like if I was using it, I'd be beating your face.
Oh, the ones that look like a dropper, you mean? Like
Yeah.
a teardrop?
Yeah, so I'd rather use this because these are kind of softer, and I know the blending ones are nice. I love it for myself, but I feel like if it was you, I'd be like,
Can you?
I know, it's so hard to see. All right, this is Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. This you get at like Ulta or Sephora. This I got in some kind of kit. I don't remember
Setting
what it was.
powder.
Yeah. So you do this after, so you
Yeah.
just get a little on the cap. Don't put that whole thing
Oh.
on your face.
Oh, you put it. Oh.
Just with a big fluffy brush. So this like sets your foundation even more.
Mm-hmm.
But I usually just put powder on like the T-zone
Mm-hmm.
because your cheeks are usually dry anyway. So, eyebrows. This is my new favorite. This is L'Oreal Micro Ink Pen. And look at it. I hope you guys can see this.
Ooh.
It's almost, wait, can you see? It's like 3 little separate thingies. So it's like a felt tip marker,
Yeah,
but it's
yeah.
got little chiseled out, almost like hairline.
I don't tweeze my eyebrows, so good luck.
Well, that's okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to just make them a little darker and a little more defined for Snow White.
Okay.
But then for the Evil Queen, which is going to be your night look, it's going to get a little even more defined.
Okay.
So you have to have eyebrows, and you have eyebrows, but they're very light.
Mm-hmm.
But eyebrows frame your face. Otherwise, you just go from eyelids to hairline. So you have to darken your eyebrows, Nancy Basil.
Should you pick a darker shade than your eyebrows or go with the same shade?
I always say go with the same shade. Make sure you don't go with the shade the same color as your hair. It should be lighter than your hair on your head.
Oh, it should be lighter than the hair. Oh, hello. See, now, since I'm not used to seeing them, they look weird to me.
But they actually
but
are
it's
very
because I'm not
light.
used to
They're
them.
still not,
Right.
you know. for the eyeshadow. Ready? Tell him about what you got.
Oh, yeah.
While I drink Frappuccino.
This is Colourpop. I bought the Disney Villains Misunderstood. And it's got, oh my gosh, Mongrels, Diablo, Devious, Tragic, Underworld, Pain and Panic, Forest of Thorns, Flotsam, The Fates, Revenge, Sing, Jetsam, Facile, 101. So this is the eye shades. Is that what this is? Let's see. Yeah, the packaging is like half the fun of these. Ooh, they're very, most of them have some metallic in them.
Yeah. So for Snow White, we're going to use Tragic.
Oh.
And then we're going to use Devious. And then we're going to do a Sparkle Shimmer. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to use that light yellowish color, which is, well, it's not really yellowish, it's beigey, Tragic. And we're going to use that on your whole eye.
Oh, okay. Oh, so like a base on my eye?
Yes. Oh, it's actually much more peachy than I thought. Still pretty, like a peachy nude, but it's definitely almost like creamy.
My favorite eyeshadows are the ones that are, I don't know how to describe the texture, but you just pretty much stick your finger in and then smudge it over. They're like a cream. That's my favorite kind.
I don't even know that they make that. Where would you find that? Who makes that? That you stick your finger in it and smudge it.
NYX. Is that how you say NYX?
Are you sure it's supposed to be eyeshadow?
Yes! You've seen me in it. The brown?
Is it gel?
It's not quite gel, but it's creamy.
Now I have to go and look
and it's in a little pot. Or sometimes it's the big fat pencil. I like those too.
Oh, I'll have to look.
Because you do one thing.
Right. I also like a good smudge. But I
Because the older I get, I'm not good with the powder anymore. It doesn't seem to do what I want it to do. So I like to just,
yeah.
It seems like it makes its own contours and stuff.
All right. I'm going to blend with this big fluffy dome brush.
Interesting.
You are the only person she does this to.
It's right.
Is it because you smell like cats? Do you smell like cats? You don't even have cats in the house.
Guinea pigs?
No, because we had guinea pigs and she could care less about them when we had them. And then,
what is it about me? I'm not going to look at you.
No, don't look. Yeah. Don't make eye contact. Okay, so this is Devious. I'm going to use this in the crease and as a transition shade, they call it.
Transition shade. Ooh la la.
All right, we're going to go with no spots on the eyelid inside to brighten it up, and then we're going to put glitter over it. All right, now over top of the Mongrels, which is this champagne-y colored. So Snow White doesn't wear much.
No, I see.
This is Master Precise All Day Maybelline Liquid Liner Felt Tip. Much easier. You don't make
I don't
much of a
use
mess.
liquid liner.
I could go wet. What did you just wipe? Nose wiping. Alright, so this is a Sephora blush and highlighter palette.
How often do you buy new brushes?
I have about 100 brushes, so I just try to clean them.
How do you clean a brush?
you them wet. Put a little dab of shampoo on them.
Oh.
Scrub them up.
Really?
Rinse them and let them dry.
That is so not what I thought. I thought that after so much time you just threw them out and got new ones.
No, brushes can get expensive. Although the best brushes I ever got are from Target. They're the Sonia Kashuk.
Yeah.
And they're always on sale. And they have like a ton of different kinds.
I think it looks great.
You have doe eyes. All right. Red
What's
lip
this?
liner. Just plain old Milani lip liner. I'm a big drugstore shopper.
I noticed that when you were doing it, you didn't try to draw around my lip. You like started at the edge and brought it in towards the center.
That's just easier for me. And little dashes is much easier than a straight.
Right, usually I'm like...
Yeah, if you do little dashes, it's easier to kind of connect.
Well, if you mostly buy drugstore makeup, what are you willing to spend money on? Like, that's a more expensive thing.
Foundation, for sure. I always get full coverage. If you get a light coverage foundation, it's just not worth it.
Oh.
If you are big on concealer, I say don't buy concealer, buy the lighter shade of foundation.
Really?
Because it's really the same thing, and when you buy concealer, like $8 for a little skinny thing, you can spend $12 and get a foundation that you can use as concealer.
Oh.
It's not, there's no different formulation.
I didn't know that. Now, this is lips, right? Woo! Yeah. So this is the next Disney Villains. I got the lipsticks. And this one has Shoji, Evil Queen, Hades, Dr. Who is Dr. Facilier?
I think he's from the Frog.
Oh.
What's that one with the Bayou?
Yeah, Frog, Princess and the Frog.
Yeah.
Cruella, Maleficent, and Ursula. They're very pretty.
Did you say Evil Queen?
Yes, that was the first one.
Alright, so since the Evil Queen lipstick is red, we're going to use the red lipstick for the Evil Queen, same as Snow White.
Oh, okay.
Which is interesting that they made it red. I thought they would have made Evil Queen more of a purple. Or like a fuchsia.
Fuchsia would be good.
But red is, to me, is so Snow White, but it's also Evil Queen. Because her stepmother probably used her lipstick. So this is very adorable. And it's good. Did you feel them? They're like metal.
Oh.
It's metal.
So it's not some crappy
plastic. Feel it. It's not plastic.
Oh yeah, it is very nice.
It's like made well. Now, so how much was this set of lipsticks?
I don't remember. I'll put that up on the screen. I don't remember.
It is made well, so I would say it's good.
Yeah, I'll put it up on the screen because I don't remember.
The color is very pretty.
It is pretty.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't like orangey reds.
No, I don't either. You have to have a certain color to have an orangey red.
Yeah. It's so matte.
It is. It's a sticky matte. Does it feel dry?
Yes.
Or, yeah.
Whoa! Ooh.
All right, now
that is really nice.
It's beautiful. That's a beautiful color. All right,
like
so
it.
we're going to do highlighter, and then we're going to take your face outside and take pictures. That way we can see the real color. I love highlighter.
I tried to use highlighter when I was doing Facebook Lives or whatever, and it made me look too shiny.
I I think we're heading towards the more shiny trend.
Really?
Yeah, I think highlighter for a while was a big deal, and then it died down, but I feel like it's coming back. Maybe because it's like spring is coming and summer is coming, or maybe it's just me, but I'm in like a highlighter thing. Love it. I'm going to use the pink one. This is Soph X. Soph X. I think I got this at Marshall's.
Oh.
Marshall's has good makeup. They have a lot of like closeouts and stuff. Or if like stores like the box is a little forgot. They work really well and they have some good stuff. You could get like real designer makeup there. Not that you need designer makeup, but
if you wanted it.
Yeah. Like the palettes are sometimes worth it. Alright, so this is going on your cheekbone up here. Aww, look at you, Snow White, for a day look. You could go bounding in this.
Yeah.
All right, let's go take a picture.
Before I show you what the Snow White makeup looks like out in the sunlight, hit the subscribe button and ding that bell. That way you'll know every time I post a new video. Want to see how Snow White turns into the evil queen with just this makeup? Click the thumbnail at the end of this video.